Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, I recognize the Prime Cabinet Secretary, our Cabinet Secretaries, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. Thank you very much for inviting me, Professor Orib Mugenda. I'm here, first of all, to congratulate you for this milestone, the launch of the cyber knife. I'm here also as a client of this hospital to bear witness that this is a world-class facility that we in the judiciary found fit to patronize. And I'm here to encourage other government agencies, public bodies, also to try and patronize Kenyatta University Hospital. I'm particularly elated about this occasion where we launched the cyber knife. This is a clear indication that our country is steadfast in our commitment to upholding the fundamental rights and freedoms of our citizens. The right to health services is not merely a constitutional provision, but a moral imperative that all of us must strive to achieve, and I dare say access to healthcare, quality healthcare, is also akin to access to justice. The commissioning of the cyber knife at Kutra this afternoon is a major stride in fulfilling this obligation. Not only does it signify our nation's dedication to safeguarding the health and well-being of its people, but it also serves as a beacon of hope for the countless individuals and families affected by the ruthless scourge of cancer. By making this medical service available in Kenya, we are effectively breaking the barriers to access to health that have previously hindered many from receiving the care they need and deserve, and therefore affecting the implementation of the fundamental right to accessible and affordable health care for all. We in the judiciary have enjoyed a wonderful relationship with this hospital through our wellness program. Through this program, members of the judiciary, Your Excellency, have been able to access high standard of medical care at affordable costs. And recently, the Supreme Court had a visit to India, where we visited one of the facilities for wellness, and we could not compare this facility with the one we visited in India. This is truly a world-class facilities. All employees in the judiciary scheme of service are now able to access a wellness package with an overnight stay in a private suite. You have seen the suites, Your Excellency, they look like a house. We have negotiated with our insurance providers and Kutra to facilitate preventive healthcare procedures to detect early onset of cancer and other chronic diseases. This relationship has enhanced productivity in the judiciary and given our employees an opportunity to access high-quality health care without the need to travel outside the country. We engaged with the hospital upon realizing that our judges, judicial officers, and members of our staff had difficulties accessing early diagnostic services for cancer and other chronic conditions. By the time they went to India or other places for further treatment, it was often too late. We are glad that accessing diagnostic services through the cyber knife will now be part of this package. In conclusion, again, my hearty congratulations to Kenyatta University's Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital, the Board of Management led by the chairperson, Professor Orib Mugenda, the Government of Kenya, and all the stakeholders involved in this momentous achievement. May the cyber knife serve as a beacon of hope and healing for our nation, and may it pave the way for even greater advancements in our pursuit of a healthier Kenya. Thank you, and God bless you.
With your permission, Your Excellency, allow me now to call Mr. Adama Tiam, the Head of Emergency Operations and Logistics from WHO, to come and make his remarks. Karibu.